Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Today we're going to be doing some fall cleanups. We're going to be taking our cleaning outdoors. I have been putting mine off because it kept raining and being cold, and then all of a sudden we got this super warm stretch. So today I'm going to get most of my yard stuff done, and I'm going to start by mowing my front yard. We just moved into this house about a year ago, and the yard is very tiny compared to our last yard. So instead of raking all of the leaves, I decided to just mow it and then dump everything into the composter. Closer to the end, you'll see how many of the brown bags that I actually did fill up just from our tiny little yard. This yard was so overgrown when we first moved in, so I spent a good chunk of the summer digging up different flower beds that had been there for a really long time and redoing them. So this one here I had done a while ago, and I had done the edging on it, but I didn't have a chance to put the mulch on it. So that mulch has been sitting there for a while, and I figured, you know what, today's the day. My kids had already been out playing in the leaves quite a bit, so there's one big pile of leaves there, and then it had rained a bunch, so I had to rake these ones up because there's no way that the lawnmower was going to get them. So I divvied them up into 3 different bags there just to keep them a little bit weighted, and then I started mowing the lawn and dumping them into those bags. Like I said, everything was really overgrown when we first moved in here. So a lot of this yard is baby grass. So I do want to keep some of the leaves on there. So I figured mowing the lawn would kind of mulch it up a little bit too. So you can see that there's still some mulch, like the ground leaves there, which is good. I want that there. And if I was to rake, there's a good chance that a lot of that baby grass would come up with the leaves as well. So I figured this was a good option. Next is cleaning up our patio area there, and there's a lot of leaves that have collected just with the wind and some stuff that I wanted to move out of there. I haven't decided what we're going to do with our patio table yet. We only have like a 1-car garage, and it's full of kids' bikes and my husband's tools. So I haven't decided if we're going to put this in there or maybe even just bring it downstairs yet. I'll have to figure that out at some point. There was still quite a bit of room left in my composter, so I wanted to dump some of the stuff from this bag into there, and then I can reuse that bag to put more leaves in because I definitely need it. So at the beginning of the summer, a good chunk of our yard looked like this area here with all of the different vines and weeds. So I did a ton of work this summer, but I didn't get to this little patch here. So it's just weeds and vines. I'm going to mow them all down. So I completely filled my composter, and then I also did 5 bags on top of this. So there's 2, 3, 4, and then you can't see the 5th one because I couldn't get a good angle on it. Then I also went ahead and took down some of the swings just to keep them in storage for winter time. Such a sad day. I took down the hammock. And I also went around the yard and picked up some of the kids' toys. I hope that you found this really motivating, and if you did, I would love it if you subscribed to my channel. Thanks so much and have a great day.